Welcome to Brainstorm Bunch! Imagine you could upload your thoughts, memories, and everything that makes you into a computer. Sounds like science fiction, right? But scientists are actually exploring the possibility of mind uploading. What if we could do it? Today, we'll dive into what that means, how it might work, and what it could mean for the future. What is the mind, and why is it special? The human mind is what makes each of us unique. It's where our thoughts, memories, emotions, and personality all come together. In scientific terms, the mind is a mix of our brain cells, called neurons, and the electrical signals that connect them. Think of it like a giant web of connections, with billions of neurons working together to store memories, solve problems, and let us feel emotions. Simple explanation. Imagine a big web inside your brain, with tiny sparks moving between the connections. Those sparks are like thoughts and memories moving around. It's one of the most complicated systems in the world, and that's what scientists would need to understand and replicate to upload a mind. How could mind uploading work? Now, if we wanted to upload our mind, the first step would be understanding every single part of our brain. Scientists would have to map every connection between our neurons, billions of them. This would be like creating a super detailed map of a huge city, where every house and street is connected. Simple explanation. Imagine if you had to copy a huge Lego castle, brick by brick. If even one piece is missing or misplaced, the whole castle might fall apart. Similarly, every tiny part of our brain would have to be perfectly mapped and copied to upload our minds. Could computers handle all that information? Our brains are incredibly complex, much more than any computer we have right now. In fact, some scientists think it would take a computer as big as a skyscraper to store just one human mind. That's because our brains hold memories, habits, skills, and feelings, so much information. We would need computers far more advanced than what we have today. Simple explanation. Think of it like trying to fit a huge library filled with books into a single laptop. Right now, it just wouldn't all fit. But in the future, who knows? Technology keeps getting better, so maybe one day it could be possible. The big questions: would it still be you? Here's a tricky question: if we uploaded your mind, would it still be you? Imagine all your memories and thoughts inside a computer, but is that digital version really you, or just a copy? Some scientists say it would feel like a clone, while others think it could be the same as you. Simple explanation. It's like copying a drawing you made. The copy looks the same, but it isn't the original drawing. It's one of the biggest questions in mind uploading: is the copy you or just something that looks and acts like you? The benefits and risks of mind uploading. Mind uploading could open doors to incredible possibilities. People could learn new things faster, store information forever, or even travel to other planets by sending their mind to robots in space. But it's also risky. We'd have to make sure our digital minds are safe from hackers or glitches. Plus, some people wonder if uploading our minds would change what it means to be human. Simple explanation. Imagine if you could store your favorite memories and keep them forever. But there's also a chance of losing them if something goes wrong with the computer. With something as precious as a mind, scientists have to be very careful. Are we close to mind uploading? So, could we ever upload our minds to a computer? Right now, we're still a long way off. Scientists are learning more about the brain every day, but fully understanding and copying it is still like science fiction. Maybe in the future, though, technology will advance enough to make it possible. Mind uploading might be one of the biggest mysteries and challenges of the future. What do you think? Would you want to upload your mind if you could? Let us know in the comments below, and stay curious. If you enjoyed this journey, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating explorations into our planet's history. Thank you for watching.